how to change timeline frame rate in Davinci Resolve. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change timeline frame rate in Davinci Resolve. So in order to make changes with your timeline frame rate in Davinci Resolve, you'll have to follow the steps. Now, if you need to change the timeline frame, you have to use the steps. First thing, you have to go to the file and then you need to select the new timeline and make sure to uncheck use project settings, which is located in the bottom left. Now after this, you'll be able to change your timeline frame rate. Now select the frame rate you like to need and click the option that says create. Now you'll be able to see a new empty timeline with the frame rate you chose. All you have to do is copy the clip from the previous timeline to the new one. Then you need to copy the clip from the old timeline and paste them into your new timeline. Now also you can go to your edit or copy button and switch to a new timeline to paste the clip, and now you've changed the frame rate in Davinci Resolve. That's how you can change timeline frame rate in Davinci Resolve. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.